Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: revenue variance analysis in manufacturing. Whether you're a business owner or someone interested in finance, understanding revenue variances is crucial for managing and improving profitability. Let's start with a quick overview. Revenue variance analysis is a powerful tool used by manufacturing companies to analyze the difference between expected and actual revenue. By understanding these variances, businesses can identify the factors that contribute to fluctuations in revenue and take appropriate actions to maximize profitability. Types of revenue variances. There are typically three types of revenue variances: price variance, quantity variance, and sales mix variance. Price variance occurs when there is a difference between the expected selling price and the actual selling price of a product. This variance helps us identify if we are overcharging or undercharging customers, and if pricing strategies need adjustment. Quantity variance, on the other hand, focuses on the difference between the expected and actual quantity of units sold. It helps us evaluate whether our sales volume is meeting expectations, and whether any factors like production inefficiencies or market demand influence the outcome. Lastly, sales mix variance refers to the variance caused by changes in the proportion of different products or services sold. It allows us to understand how changes in customer preferences impact revenue. Calculating revenue variances. Now that we understand the types of variances, let's talk about how to calculate them. To calculate the price variance, we multiply the difference between the expected and actual selling price by the actual quantity sold. This gives us an insight into the impact of pricing on revenue. Quantity variance is calculated by multiplying the expected selling price by the difference between the expected and actual quantity sold. This helps us identify whether changes in sales volume are affecting revenue. Sales mix variance is calculated by multiplying the difference in the proportion of products sold by the average selling price. This variance helps us understand the effect of changes in product mix on revenue. Interpreting revenue variances. Understanding how to calculate revenue variances is essential, but interpreting them is equally important. A favorable variance occurs when the actual revenue is higher than expected, indicating positive performance. Conversely, an unfavorable variance means the actual revenue is lower than expected, suggesting areas for improvement. It's crucial to dig deeper into the causes of these variances. Analyzing factors such as pricing strategies, market conditions, production inefficiencies, or changes in customer preferences can provide insights on how to optimize revenue. By conducting a thorough analysis of revenue variances, manufacturers can identify trends, take corrective actions, and make informed decisions to drive growth and profitability. Tools and techniques for revenue variance analysis. Thanks to technology, we have numerous tools and techniques available to assist us in conducting revenue variance analysis. Accounting software, like ERP systems, can generate detailed reports on sales data, pricing, and product mix, making it easier to calculate and analyze revenue variances. Data visualization tools, such as graphs and charts, allow us to present revenue variances visually, making complex data more understandable and actionable. Additionally, statistical analysis techniques, like regression analysis, can help identify the key factors contributing to revenue variances and predict future outcomes. And there you have it, folks. A beginner's guide to revenue variance analysis in manufacturing. We explored the types of variances, how to calculate them, and the importance of interpreting and analyzing the results. Remember, revenue variance analysis is not a one-time task. Regularly monitoring and analyzing revenue variances will help manufacturers stay on top of their financial performance and make informed decisions. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.